I fucked up and cried in my bedroom after I had dumped you a fucking week prior. A fucking week prior after you beat the shit out of me. And then a week later you show up at my doorstep in my room saying you want to say goodbye. Okay, say goodbye.
Oh, I said it?
Yes, you did say it.
Your Honor, this is a recording, Defendant's Exhibit 582, that we will play the entirety of.
Put your fucking cigarettes out on someone else. You fucking have consequences for your actions. That's it.
Shut up, fat ass.
Yeah, you got me there.
Can you play that one more time, please, Michelle?
Objection, Your Honor. I'll sustain the objection. Move on.
Mr. Depp, when Ms. Heard tells you in that recording to go put your cigarettes out on someone else, you don't deny that, but instead you simply say, shut up, fat ass. Is that correct?
I think that was another grossly exaggerated moment of Ms. Heard's. I did not put a cigarette out on her or throw a cigarette at her.
So, to be fair here, Johnny denies putting a cigarette out on Miss Heard, but I must admit, in that initial audio, it seems quite damning. And something that I've seen during this trial is, in the courtroom, you have to read between the lines. You have to kind of try to see what the attorney is trying to convey through their questioning. Are they asking leading questions? Are they saying correct after every time they ask somebody a question, trying to lead the witness, trying to lead the person that's on the stand? I'm paying attention to all those things. And I will say, this relationship had a lot of tension between it the entire time, because it seems like they were always arguing. I know we are only getting the bad bits, but I will say that this was not a healthy situation in the slightest. Let's continue on with the article. This was an update as of 1:21 p.m. today, and it states, those were Amber's words during yet another of her heated arguments with Johnny. Her legal team played an audio recording of the face-off in court while Depp was on the stand. Let's play that.
But this is not love. This is not happiness. This is not.
Please stop doing this. Please, you're causing so much fucking stress. I'm gonna die at this age. I'm gonna fucking die. You're causing me so much stress. Please stop. Please, I feel like I have a heart attack almost every day. Please stop. Please stop doing it. Please stop. He's so fucking mean.
Why are you with me?
Bully. Stop. Please stop. I've been begging you not to fight. I just said, can we please have a normal argument? Just even a normal conversation, fucking normal argument. And for the last hour, I've been begging you to please just leave it at that. Let's just go on with our night. I would have been able to come in with you. We would have been able to let it go in a few minutes. It would have been fine. It would just, if we allowed ourselves to have fucking normal arguments. Please, you're killing me with this. You're killing me. You're fucking killing me. Fuck.
Sean, could you, please, I want you to just go. I want you to take your medicine or whatever. I'm sorry that I've upset you this much.
Thank you, Sean. I'm ready to go. Thank you so much.
Mr. Depp, in the beginning, well, first of all, do you know where you are when you're having this discussion with Ms. Heard?
The only, the only clue that I have is that Sean is being called. I'd called Sean and said to drive her home, or I believe it was probably at Sweetser, so then she could drive back. He would drive her back to downtown Penthouse 3. She didn't seem in any shape to drive to me.
As you heard, Amber Heard was there, very emotional. She was begging for him to stop fighting with her and instead have a normal argument. He agreed that they needed some time apart and asked a driver to take her to their home in downtown Los Angeles. I noticed that he was very calm and reserved at that point. Johnny also said that she didn't seem like she was in any shape to drive. I would concur with that based on just her emotion level. And it also indicates here that on the recording, Depp also says, "This isn't love, this is not happiness." The article goes on to say that in what is just another chapter in the toxic relationship that Johnny Depp and Amber Heard had, there was new audio that accuses Johnny of using Amber as his personal ashtray. The audio was played Monday in court, day 4 of Johnny Depp's testimony. Day 4. You hear Amber say, "Put your effing cigarettes out on someone else. F having consequences for your effing have consequences for your actions." While there is no visual evidence in this instance, Amber Heard's lawyer pointed out the fact that Johnny doesn't deny burning her with a cig in the audio. He simply responds, "Shut up, fat A." During the cross-examination, Johnny Depp denied ever throwing a cigarette at Heard or using her to put one out. He said, "I think that was grossly exaggerated by Miss Heard." And we have that recording as well, so we're going to play it.
I fucked up and cried in my bedroom after I had dumped you a fucking week prior. A fucking week prior after you beat the shit out of me. And then a week later you show up at my doorstep in my room saying you want to say goodbye. Okay, say goodbye.
Oh, I said it?
Yes, you did say it. I'll go to the text messages so that we're clear on the
Yes,
tape.
because you said it before to me.
Okay. No doubt. But you did not say you're going to come over to say bye?
I made a huge mistake.
You didn't say that to me?
Huge mistake.
You didn't say that to me?
Well, I won't do it again.
What's the mistake then? Did you or did you not say you were coming over to say bye?
My question is, why are so many of these things being recorded? If you're in such emotional distress and you're so afraid of things, why are you recording all of these interactions? And in all of these interactions where Johnny Depp presumably doesn't know that he's being recorded, he's being very reserved, very calm. What I would say is the opposite of somebody that's aggressive. Yes, he's called her out of her name at times, and yes, he's been upset, obviously, but I do not see somebody that is emotionally unstable based on the interactions, especially since he doesn't even know that he's being recorded. And